Should we all learn a programming language? A programming language is a formal language used to communicate instructions to a machine, most popularly computers. Languages and linguistics in general have some set ideas. There is basic syntax, a patterned rule book of how the language works. Then there is morphology, comprising of the vocabulary and the correct usage of the grammar. After that, we have semantics and pragmatics dealing with our gradual perception of the meaning behind the expressions and a developed sense of understanding on where to use the words we learn. But choosing to learn a programming language is slightly more complicated than simply thinking that, hey, it's the language of the future, as advertisements tell me, might as well learn it. It's not that simple, and it goes way beyond deciding what language to learn. It's not even in the ballpark of that. The reason why I feel it is much more complicated than it's made out to be is because of the fact that, just like many other things, our perception of learning a programming language is far different from how it actually goes. Our perception of learning a programming language is to learn the basic commands, printing statements, adding numbers, simple loop functions. It's kind of like going to learn a language and stopping at learning the basic words and introducing yourself. So, sure, you can introduce yourself flawlessly in French, but the moment somebody asks you a question, you don't know what it means. That is what learning a programming language creates in terms of a problem. Because while we assume learning programming languages is that simple, with any under the hood experience, you can understand that it really doesn't matter how you print hello world. If you understand how printing works, well and fine. That's something you've learned. If you understand how addition works, well and fine. That's something you've learned. But the problem is, why are you learning it? You're learning it to solve real life problems. If you're not learning it to solve real life problems, then I don't see how the question would apply to you. We all have to try to solve some sort of real life problem if we want to professionally use our skills as a person who knows programming. So, how exactly will knowing how to add numbers inside Python help you solve a real world problem? Because chances are there are tons of people out there who can do that, and I mean, it's not even necessary. The people who actually implement stuff that solves real life problems are learning it on a far deeper level, because the difference between a real life spoken language and a programming language is spoken languages can be used simply as a tool for conversation. Programming languages, on the other hand, are specifically oriented towards solving problems. We use the computers to solve some sort of problem. So, sure, while learning the basics of a language works very well if that's what you want to stick to, if you really want to make a difference, it's not about learning print statements, it's far deeper. And this shouldn't work as a discouragement to anybody who wants to go on that courageous field, because trust me, I've tried. It really requires a lot of courage, and if you have the dedication and if you seriously want to learn a language, I say go for it. Learn a programming language, do something. At this point in time in the world, we all need ideas. We all need to help the earth, and we all need to save us from ourselves. So anything would be cool. But the next time you think, should I learn a programming language? Be sure what you really want to do. Because introducing yourself in French really doesn't make a difference if you can't answer, "How are you?" Ladies and gentlemen, that is my time. Thank you.